Hello and welcome back to Daddy Fever. 10 healthy Indian breakfasts for weight gain. Here are 10 healthy Indian breakfast options ideal for weight gain, with a focus on nutrient-dense ingredients. Number 1. Aloo paratha with curd. A calorie-dense and nutritious option made with whole wheat stuffed with spiced mashed potatoes and served with curd for added protein. Number 2. Poha with peanuts. Flattened rice cooked with vegetables, peanuts, and spices. Peanuts add healthy fats and protein to make this a filling breakfast. Number 3. Masala dosa with coconut chutney. A South Indian favorite, dosas made from fermented rice and urad dal batter are rich in carbs and protein, especially when stuffed with a potato filling. Number 4. Paneer paratha. Whole wheat bread stuffed with paneer, Indian cottage cheese, offering a high-protein and calorie-dense option, perfect for muscle gain. Number 5. Upma with ghee. Semolina, suji, cooked with vegetables and a spoonful of ghee for healthy fats, making it energy-dense and nutritious. Number 6. Besan chilla with yogurt. A savory gram flour, besan, pancake rich in protein, served with yogurt for an additional protein boost. Number 7. Oats with milk, nuts, and seeds. A wholesome and easy option, oats combined with milk, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds offer a mix of healthy fats, protein, and carbs. Number 8. Egg burji with whole wheat toast. Scrambled eggs cooked with onions, tomatoes, and spices served with whole wheat toast. Eggs provide high-quality protein for muscle building. Number 9. Dalia cracked wheat with milk and nuts. Cook dalia in milk and top it with almonds, cashews, and raisins for a nutritious and calorie-dense meal. Number 10. Sprouts salad with boiled potatoes. Sprouted mung beans combined with boiled potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and a squeeze of lemon make for a nutrient-rich, protein-filled breakfast that can aid weight gain. These meals offer a balance of carbs, proteins, and healthy fats to help you gain weight in a healthy manner.